Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Ledger to Binance. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide, first thing to do is to open the Binance app or website, then go to wallet, then click on deposit, then select the coin you want to receive, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. Then choose the correct network from, or you can choose between BTC, ERC20 or BIP20. Then copy the wallet address shown, copy it. Then after that, you have to open your Ledger Live. So to do this, launch Ledger Live on app on your device, then connect and unlock your Ledger Nano device. Then go to account, then select the coin you were sending. Then after that, you have to send the crypto from Ledger. So to do this, click the send button, then paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier, then enter the amount you want to send, then select the same network as on the Binance, which is very important. Select the same network as on Binance, then confirm the transaction on the Ledger device. After that, you have to wait for network confirmation, which can take few minutes or up to an hour. Then you receive the crypto in your wallet, Binance wallet, once confirmed, and that's how you can simply transfer money from Ledger to Binance. Make sure you watch. Thank you.